The Paso Robles American Viticultural Area is located halfway between San Francisco to the north and Los Angeles to the south, along California's central coast. Situated on the Pacific Plate, Paso Robles rests on an ancient seabed that was uplifted millions of years ago. The San Andreas Fault is the dividing line, with the North American Plate just east. Millions of years of sea creatures' calcium-rich bones and shells have been compressed over time to create the calcareous soils we have here today, some of it limestone. Just like many Old World regions, these high pH soils help define Paso Robles. By limiting the uptake of potassium, calcium helps ensure wine grapes retain a higher amount of natural acidity. There are 30 different parent soil series in Paso Robles, and calcareous components can be found in many combinations. Areas with more dramatic elevation tend to see it as shale or limestone on the surface, where more rolling hills and savanna have it further below the surface in a more granular, decomposed form. Either way, vine roots find moisture in these friable soils, which are excellent in retaining water. Paso's rainfall happens predominantly between later November and early April, essentially dry during the growing season. In a good year, annual rainfall levels can range from as much as 30 to 40 inches in the mountainous areas to 7 to 10 inches further east, making water retention in soils that much more important for vines to seek out their own source of moisture. Paso's varied topography is a direct result of millions of years of uplift and tectonic movement. This leads to many different aspects available to plant on. Sunny and warm south-facing slopes are great for varieties needing the heat, versus northeast hillsides for grapes that need some afternoon cooling. This combined with elevation, soil types, rainfall, and climate create countless opportunities for growing wine grapes in Paso Robles. It's also why 11 American viticultural areas lie within Paso Robles. By using science as a standard, the 11 AVAs were approved in 2014. A conjunctive labeling law ensures that Paso Robles will always be featured on the label with its respective nested AVA. Paso is a dynamic growing environment, and its soils and topography, along with climate, are paramount in what makes it special and unique, and what gives a glass of Paso Robles wine a true sense of place.